Now we will do Mulk Raj Anand's The Source of Protest in My Novels. This is an article published by Mulk Raj Anand in 1992. In this article, he tried to say that what is the proper way of interpretation of his novels. He says that it should be different from abstract analysis of Western criticism. Western critics sees his novels. Western critics interpret his novels as realistic novels. They put it in realism and they interpret these novels in this way. He expresses or portrays in his novels the hard realities of life. At the time of writing of Untouchable, he was living in London and was a member of Bloomsbury Group. He left this group after an awkward comment from Edward Sackville West, who said that lower people or lower lives are not the subject for literature. They are subject to marginalize, and he criticizes Dickens and his characters in his novels, says that these are not proper characters for a work of literature. After that comment from Edward Sackville West, he left Bloomsbury Group. He left membership of Bloomsbury Group and left London. We went to Gandhiji's ashram Sabarmati, and where he met lower classes of people, where he met oppressed, suppressed, repressed people, and these people provide sources of his creations, sources of protest. He tried to protest against these suppression, oppression of lower or downtrodden people in his novels. His fiction expresses his own experience. He says there is something mutual in life of Mulk Raj Anand and in his fiction. He presents real situation of his familiar people, non-people. Sometimes he says that I met the people that are repressed, the children, naked children, widow women, old women who had grown old not because of age, they had grown before they, yeah,